Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video, I am going to solve the problem of not getting notification of your message, notification of your calls. When someone is calling to you on WhatsApp or Messenger or call, you are not getting any notification or not getting any call alert or call notification. So this problem is being offered on new devices, mostly on new devices or maybe arrive on old devices. So I am using Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus device, which is Chinese version, and I got this problem on this device and I searched for the solution. So here is the solution. So let's get started. First of all, these are the problem based on the permission. So we have to check the permission first of all. So for this, let's go to WhatsApp application. We are removing the program from WhatsApp application. So let's go to WhatsApp application. I am using WhatsApp Business. Open the WhatsApp Business app. So for the demo, I am again calling. Okay. I am removing this from recent and I am calling from another device. You can hear the sound. I am calling from another device and it is showing only calling and not ringing. That's why the phone is not ringing. So let's solve this problem. First of all, when you open the WhatsApp, when you see the WhatsApp Business app or WhatsApp app or Messenger app, so I am doing in only WhatsApp Business app. Long press on WhatsApp Business and then click on the I button, which is the information button. Then you can see auto start, which is up. Okay, so let's turn on the auto start and then you can see permission option here. So let's check out the permission option. Here you can see phone permission for the phone is turned off. So click on this and click on always allow. Then let's see another permission, which is contact, which is also turned off. So you have to give permission for contacts. So click on allow. Then let's check other permission also. So most of the permission in others option are enabled. So just like make phone call, if it is disabled, then click on the always allow. Answer and end call, if it is denied, then click on the always allow. So most of the problem are solved here. And another problem is battery. Let's check the battery and you can see battery saver mode is turned on. Okay, so click on the no restriction for WhatsApp Business app and click on the no restriction for WhatsApp app and also for Messenger app. You have to do same setting for this application. Now let's go to setting. Okay, then let's go to apps. Let's find out WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business starts from W. So let's go to WhatsApp Business and you can see the same option here and you can find out the permissions from the setting also. Another thing you have to turn on is notification. If notification is turned off, then click on turn on. Then you have to check the other option, which is message notification. If it is turned off, then click on turn on. And another thing is floating notification. If floating notification is turned off, then check it out and turn it on. So here is the call notification, which you have to turn it on if it is turned off. Okay, so turn it on and check other options and turn on floating notification also. So there is the option of additional setting, which is in the app. So let's check this out. Turn on, use high priority notification, turn it on. So these are the some setting you have to do. So in this way you can solve this problem and you will start getting notification of your message and notification of your calls. Thank you. If you liked this video, then subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.